Hi, today we're going to import a simple Excel sheet into the Zoho CRM leads module. As you can see, this is a simple Excel sheet with the basic parameters like name, email, tele, city, company, and so and so. The two main criteria for an Excel sheet to be imported correctly, that is, the first row should contain the header names. That is, row number one should have name, email, tele, etc. These names should be there, not a record, or even this should not be in the second or the third line. And the next thing is you need to have all mandatory columns by default. So by default in the lead module, we have the name as this mandatory module. So this name column needs to be there in the Excel sheet. Now, if you go to the Zoho CRM under the lead section, you can see the import button. Click on the import button and click on import leads. Here, either you can import your own leads which are assigned to you by default, or you can import your organization's lead. If you select your organization's lead, it means while importing an Excel sheet, you can assign the leads automatically to your fellow sales representatives. You select the file which you need to import, and then these are the three options. It means what should be done with a similar duplicate record is found. Skip means if a similar record is found, it will be skipped. Overwrite means the old parameters would be overwritten with the new parameters. Clone means that a duplicate entry would be created in the system. There's some by default name, email address are the parameters on which you can check this duplicate records. For the time being, we are going to do a clone. Click on the next. Once you do this, you can see the CRM field and the import field. The CRM field is the field in the Zoho CRM, and the import field refers to the columns of the Excel sheet that you are importing. So by default, the mapping usually takes itself. Otherwise, if you want to manually assign which column of your Excel sheet needs to fall into the which field of Zoho CRM, you can do it manually as well. Once done, you can go to the next. Once you do next, it gives you error which of the fields of your columns are not mapped. So in the current Excel sheet, column number 7, that is the test date, and column number 9, that is the card type, is not mapped. It means the data in these records will not be imported. Once you do import, you get an information which all record has been imported, and if some record had been skipped, what is the reason for their being skipped. I hope this helps you. If you need any assistance, feel free to write us to at Zoho.